Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted post on Instagram. You got that right. So what I'm going to do, guys, as you can see, I'm on my Instagram here and I have this picture here of the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the photo, and I'm going to click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and I'm going to simply go ahead and click delete at the bottom there, then click delete again. Now if I go back to my profile, refresh, you will see that I no longer have that picture. Voila, it's gone, right? Now, how do I restore this? All you have to do is click the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side. Then you want to click on your activity here. Once you click on your activity, guys, you want to go to the section that says removed and archived content. You want to open recent deleted. And from there, you will see all your posts that you recently deleted. And as you can see, the days as shown as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on that latest picture there. Click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and there you have the option to restore. So once I click restore, guys, I click restore again. Then I will go back to my profile here, do a refresh. I get back that picture post that I had before. So that's how you easily restore a deleted post on Instagram.